Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The paper is Carbon Footprint and Economic Evaluation of Gayo Arabica Coffee Primary Process in Aceh, Indonesia is output of Kedai Reka activity by funding by Ministry of Education, Cultural, Research and Technology of Indonesia. Thank you for organize of Third Kuala Lumpur International Conference on Social Sciences, Education and Engineering by ASEAN Scholar Network. The research was carried out based on environmental sustainability thinking, the industrial ecology approach in the study of the sustainability of agroforestry and Gayo Arabica coffee agroindustry uses the basis of natural sciences and engineering science. The coffee agroforestry model mimics the natural forest model, where there is carbon absorption in plant and nutrient cycles whose circulation resembles of forest ecosystem. The study used the disciplines of remote sensing, soil and agroecology to produce a model for estimating plant biomass carbon to estimate carbon stock values, evaluate land suitability, and model nitrogen balance. The agro-industrial model mimics the industrial ecosystem model, where the output of waste in primary processing is used as input for organic matter in coffee agroforestry plantation, which illustrates the integration model of industrial process linkage. The development of agroindustry model can improve overall environmental performance through a closed system with carbon footprint parameters. Evaluation using material flow analysis shows the energy potential of byproduct management in the pulping and the hulling processes. The overall evaluation of industrial process in the two production models using life cycle assessment and comparing impact assessment show that waste management initiatives do not fully guarantee environmental improvement. Research was carried out at Aceh Tengah and Bener Meriah districts, province of Aceh, Sumatra Island, Indonesia. The three districts, Aceh Tengah, Bener Meriah, Gayo Lues, are known as Dataran Tinggi Gayo, Gayo Highland, and the main producers of Arabica coffee in Indonesia. The Gayo Highland is one of the largest Arabica coffee producers, located in Aceh Province with the administrative area of Central Aceh and Bener Meriah and Gayo Lues. The coffee plantation area, which is planted together with the Lamtoro set trees, is known as a coffee agroforestry model. Fertilizers come from water and solid waste from pulping and milling process, trimming of Lamtoro tree branches, weeds, and sometimes lemongrass. Primary processing begins with the harvesting of the coffee series and ends with the delivery of the green beans. In general, organic matter waste is discharged into the ground of water without further treatment. The common practice is to deposit organic matter into the soil for 6 months and use it as fertilizer. Farmers sell washed parchment coffee to collector after the pulping process. The collector dries and grinds the washed parchment coffee using a huller that has been certified by an organic processing machine to produce wet coffee. Wet coffee is then returned to the collector to be dried to produce dry green beans. The dry green beans are then sold to the cooperative. The cooperative further processes the dry green beans through drying, sorting, grading, and packaging. Generally, the main processor of Gayo Arabica coffee are involved in exporter cooperatives. Optimizing the utilization of organic materials is expected to benefit all actors. Therefore, it is necessary to analyze the flow of raw materials and estimate the potential byproducts of each actor. Model 1 is semi-wash primary processing. Model 2 is full wash primary processing. The method to evaluate environmental performance that can be used to identify indication of sustainability is life cycle assessment or LCA method. The study was conducted on coffee production and exporter cooperatives in Central Aceh. Primary data were obtained through interviews with farmers, collectors, hauler owners, and cooperative administrators, and secondary data comes from cooperative reports. We use life cycle assessment method, and the coverage research is based on cradle to get. The goals of the research is comparing carbon emission in production models, cooperative, that different primary processing, model 1 and model 2. Data, we use data from calculation of coffee series, process by product, fuel for pulper and huller, fuel for transportation, and electricity usage. Source of data from farmers, collector, huller owners, Baburayan Cooperative. When we watch the inventory of data, we can compare model 1 and model 2. For water usage and pulping for two models, there is no different data on the two activities. And when we watch the next activity, we watch different data at collecting and drying activities. You can see it, the difference of data. Next, when we watch the next text, there is different activity at model 1 and model 2. And we can watch the next text of model 1 is hulling. But the activity of model 2 is collecting. And we can see and we can watch there is different data at hulling, collecting, and finishing activities. We can compare the model production at model 1 and model 2. The model 2 is to collecting activities, and we can So, the result of carbon emission at model 1 and model 2 is different. Different CO2 emission or carbon emission for 1 kilogram green bean based on fuel and electricity usage. We can was 1E and 1B, there is data of electricity usage, and 2E and 2B, there is data from full activity or transportation activity. The calculation of this research is carbon footprint by using CIMAPRO software. The environmental performance of the Model 1 is better than the Model 2. The cooperative initiative to increase added value by utilizing full wash primary processing facilities at Model 2 has not completely reduced carbon emission. Improvement based on the identification of hotspots starting from energy use, electricity, and fuel. Suggestion further analysis of the overall transportation routes of actors, reuse of water used in the primary process in farmers, and management of electricity uses in cooperatives. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thanks for attention.